Let's learn punctuation marks. Punctuation marks go at the end of complete sentences. This is a period. This goes at the end of a complete sentence. The cat likes to play. At the end of this sentence is a red period. This is a question mark. This goes at the end of a complete sentence asking a question. Why is the sky blue? At the end of this sentence is a red question mark. This is an exclamation mark. This goes at the end of a sentence expressing excitement. You did a good job! At the end of this sentence is a red exclamation mark.